I'm Hassan Mahmood. I'm a 31-year-old gentleman and I am one of the, if not the biggest Pakistan cricket fan in the world. Yeah! Come on! I've been following the team since 1992 in the World Cup final. That was the first match I saw against England when we won the World Cup. When Wazir obviously took those magnificent 3 wickets in the final. Imran Khan was the top scorer, everyone contributed and we won the World Cup. For the biggest game of the tournament against India on Saturday 19th of March at 2 p.m. I cannot wait till that game. There is no option apart from winning that game. We have to win, we have to end this ridiculous hoodoo we have against India. I don't care whether everyone else has written us off. 24 years of watching cricket, I fully believe that we can beat India and win this tournament.